Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable grid lines on DJI Osmo 360. To do it, slide down from the top of the screen until you find the settings, slide to the next page and go to grid. Now you can set it to non-grid diagonal or grid and diagonal. Let's see the grid first. This is the grid. You can see now if I set it to, let's set it to diagonal now. This is diagonal, and you can also enable the grid and diagonal, just like that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.